Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? So today on the menu, I'm going to be making a goat curry. If you don't have goat, you could use lamb, but goat's fantastic. I've got some potatoes in there and some absolutely wonderful flavors. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of goat meat with bone. If you want, you can use lamb, but yeah, we're using goat today. What we're going to do is get a few spices on there, get it marinated before we cook it. So this is what we're going to put onto the raw meat. So 2 tablespoons here of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons chili powder. If you're interested, I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. Then we've got some fresh chilies. That's entirely up to you what you want to put in. Half a cup of oil, and here I've got a bit of cilantro or coriander. That's all going to go in the mix. We're going to give it a nice little mix up and then leave it for a couple of hours. So I've just put that goat meat into a slightly larger container. Fresh chili, like I say, up to you what you want to put in. Cilantro, coriander. Then we've got coriander powder, the garam masala powder and the green cardamom powder. Salt, pepper, chili, cumin, turmeric, in it goes. Garlic ginger paste. And half a cup of oil. I'm using the canola oil here, but anything really works. That's just going to bring it all together. You can see I've got my beautiful sexy glove on. In we go. Back in a few minutes. Okay, nice little mixture there. What I'm going to do now, get some shrink wrap, plastic wrap, cling film, whatever you call that, over there, refrigerator, minimum 2 hours, overnight, wah. Okay, so I've got my pot, pan or wok, whatever you're going to use. Heat goes on. And in there I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you don't have or don't want to use coconut oil, you can use any other oil you like. I'm just going to melt that down. Okay, so that's just melting down. We're going to drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And here I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get these, they are really beautiful. If not, try and get some dry. Just a few seconds in that oil. And then we're going to add our marinated goat. Beautiful. This is actually the next day. This is overnight. And we're going to go medium heat now for about 8 or 9 minutes, stirring often. Okay, so that's like 9 or so minutes, medium heat. I was stirring it fairly often. We're now going to put in 1 cup of onion chopped, and we're going to go again for another 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, it's looking absolutely magnificent. Right, we're now going to add 3 cups of potatoes. Cut them fairly small, but you can cut them how you like. We're going to throw them around in the mix, again on this medium heat, for 5 minutes. Incredible stuff going on here. Okay, now 3 tomatoes cut nice and small. We're going to go for another 5 minutes. What we want this time is these tomatoes to break down a bit. They're going to give off a little bit of moisture. Well, I hope they do anyway. Lovely stuff. So I got a fair amount of moisture from my tomatoes. If you didn't, don't worry, because we're going to be adding some water now anyway. So, let me grab this cold water. What I'll put in there, maybe, is that a pint? Maybe a pint there, I think. Okay, lid's gonna go on. We're gonna drop the gas down, or the heat down to sort of, you know, above a simmer, in between a simmer and a medium actually. And we're gonna let that go for 20 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. Looking really, really good. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the gas on really high. With the lid off, we're gonna cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes. What we wanna do now is reduce it down. All of that moisture's helped really sort of cook the meat. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a dry process now. So yeah, 5 minutes maybe. It's gonna reduce. Okay, that's reduced down really nicely. I mean, you could even go a bit more if you wanted, but I'm happy there. Bit of salt. Bit of a mix. Off goes the heat. That is absolutely delicious. Really, really good. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Got a little bit of cilantro or coriander here. It's going to go on the top. Whatever you call that. And then ginger. Fresh ginger, which is cut really thin. And plenty of that. I love that in there. That makes for a beautiful, beautiful goat meat curry. Really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.